Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Nafiuddin. I am from Lahore. Being a student of literature, I have a very good grip on writing skills and on blogging skills. But after meeting all the mentors of Pakistan content marketing, I came to know about different things like freelancing, Fiverr, and many other things. It is not a very easy job to get work in the start. And after it, I met Sir Zahid Iqbal, who is a great mentor, a great blogger, and a good freelancer. He taught us many skills like freelancing, blogging, YouTubing, and content writing. He also tell us about different variants of writing or different variants of blogging. Uh, After meeting him, we came to know that we have done a lot of mistakes. We were leaving some things behind, and we were trying to basically, you can say, grasp the big things, but we were missing the all minor things. And Sir Zahid Iqbal has mentioned all those mistakes and call us for improvement. And well, Alhamdulillah, we did a lot of improvements in our working, and we get great results. Thank you, Sir Zahid Iqbal. Thank you, NFTP. Thank you, Pakistan Content Marketing. Oh, I forgot something. This, this thing. This is the most important thing nowadays. Be safe, be happy. Bye bye.